Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my channel Fantasy Cricket Prediction. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to get my latest updates and videos. Today we will discuss about KFC Big Bash League T20 match Melbourne Renegades and Perth Scorchers. It is a fourth match in KFC Big Bash League 10th season. Perth Scorchers probable starting 11 is Josh Inglis, Sam Whiteman, Colin Munro, Ashton Turner, Cameron Bancroft, Joey Clark, Mitchell Marsh, Jay Richardson, Andrew Tai, Joseph Behendraff, Fawad Ahmad. And for Renegades, Sam Harper from wicketkeeper section, Sean Marsh, Aaron Finch, Riley Rosso, Mark Harvey, Jack Fraser, McGrook, or John Holland. And from all-rounder section, Ben Webster, Benny Howell, Jack Prishwich. And comes to created Dreamland team, Sam Harper, Josh English, Sam Whiteman, both are equally good, but Josh English has some hitting skills other than Sam Harper and Sam Whiteman. You can go with any of two or three, any of one, but here I will go with Josh English because he is a hard hitting batsman and he will do better wicket keeping than Sam Harper and Sam Whiteman. In come to batsman section, Colin Munro, Sean Marsh, Aaron Finch, Riley Russo, Ashton Turner, Cameron Bancroft, Joey Clark, Mark Harvey. These are the batsmen. These are the batsmen in batting section. This is the first BBL match for Colin Munro. He is a hit and miss type player. You can make him a captain in SL and GL also. Sharma is a decent batsman. He can score easily 30 runs to 40 runs. Aaron Finch is a opening batsman and he is leading his team. Riley Rosso is also two down or third down batsman. He will also good batsman for picking in SL and also make captain and vice captain in GL and SL teams. Ashton Turner has good average against Melbourne Renegades. He has 44 average and also Campbell Bancroft has also good average. He is a good hitting batsman. Both are good for captain vice captain choice and we can try both them in GL. And here comes to all-rounder section. Mitchell Marsh, he can give at least 70 points from batting and bowling. He can take at least one wicket, one catch, and he score at least 30 runs. And he is the captain of his team. And here comes to Ben Webster. He is a good middle order batsman and he can hit big scores. And he is a all-rounder. He can bowl leg break. Benny Howell is a bowling all-rounder. He bowls right arm medium fast, and Jack Fitch also is a youngster. He will bowl so fast medium. He can score big in late order. He is good choice for captain and in GL teams. You can type Ben Webster in GL and SL here, and in bowling section, Kane Richardson, J Richardson, Andrew Ty, Johnson Behendorf, Fawad Ahmad, Lalor, Ian Holden. These are the bowlers. J Richardson is the leading wicket taker for his team, and also Kane Richardson is the leading wicket taker for his team. J Richardson is a youngster. He can bowl at 140 kilometers, and he can also bat at a lower order. He is like a bowling all rounder. Anutai is player who can bowl knuckle balls, faster balls. He can bowl 140 kilometers, and also can also bat at lower order. Joshua Behendorf is default pick in BBL because he is a leading wicket taker in BBL history. Fawad Ahmad is the only spinner in his team. He maintains his economy at least 5 per match, and he will take at least 1 wicket. Josh Lawler is a left-arm medium fast bowler. He bowls at death overs, and he can take at least 1 or 2 wickets. He is good choice for captain and vice captain in many GL teams. Ian Holland is a left-arm orthodox bowler. He plays for Australia, and he played 4 matches and take 9 wickets. And here we create a team. I selected Josh Inglis because he's a good hitter, and he can do better wicket keeping than others. Sean Marsh, Aaron Finch. Aaron Finch is a hitter miss type player like Colin Munro. You can take Riley Russo or Colin Munro in place of Aaron Finch. Or take any two of them. Ashton Turner, he bats at 3 or 2 down. Cameron Bancroft is likely to open or at bat at 1 down. I will choose both Bancroft and Turner. Don't forget Harvey. He must try him in GL teams because he is good average against pet scotches. Mitchell Marsh, Kane Richardson, J Richardson, Johnson Behendorf, Ian Holland. It's your choice. Colin Munro, Aaron Finch, Riley Russo. Any two of them you have to select. But I go with Colin Munro and Aaron Finch. If Renegades bat first, I will go with Colin Munro and drop Colin. Oh, sorry, I will go with Riley Russo. I will drop Colin Munro. If Renegades bowls first, I will drop him and pick him. Josh, here comes to captain and vice captain selection. Josh English is a good captain choice for SL many GL teams. Aaron Finch is a default captain and a VC choice in SL and GL teams also. Must try Turner as captain. He can bowl also, and he can hit big sixes. Cam Cameron Bancroft also a good choice for captain and VC and SL in GL teams also. Colin Munro is physical mistake. Must try him as his captain in small leagues and GL. Sean March is one of the best and safest captain for SL teams. Mitchell Marsh is also good choice for SL and GL teams. Johnson Mehendrop, Jay Richardson, Kane Richardson are the good choices for vice captain and captain in SL leagues. Must try three of them as VC in SL teams, and try as captains in GL teams. But here comes to I will take Sean Marsh as captain. He will give at least 70 points from batting. He give at least 30. He will score 30 runs and he will for 35 points. He will take at least one catch and take at least one wicket. He is a captain of his team, Perth Scorchers. And I will go with Jay Richardson. He is a good batsman and he will score good runs at lower order and he will take at least one or two wickets at with good economy rate. So I will pick him as VC.